Okay, good morning and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the revolve feature as a cutter. So we're going to go ahead and open up Design Spark Mechanical. We're going to go ahead and go to File, New, and create a new design. Go ahead and draw in this isometric mode, that's fine. So we're going to create a circle. We'll do 20 millimeters, and then we're going to pull this up. Let's just go 20. 30 is too much. Okay, so 20 and then 20. So now we're going to come over here and click on this green line in the middle, the center line, hit K. Now we're going to go plan view to straighten that out. Now we're going to draw a shape. It doesn't really matter what kind of shape. Just something that's we're going to be using as a cutter. It could be an odd shape, it doesn't matter. Actually, let me undo this. I'm going to create a double-sided shape. So we're going to go ahead and put a line in here. Select the click off, right mouse click, set as mirror. I want to draw these shapes on both sides. Whatever shape you want to have. It doesn't have to be anything specific. Okay, so we got our two shapes here. So now what we're going to do is get rid of this line. So go ahead and hit delete. Now we're going to go to the 3D mode. And it's important to draw your shape outside of this cylinder, because if you draw it inside the cylinder, it's going to be hard to click on, or it's going to be hard to select. Okay, so first thing we want to do is go ahead and go to this one, click there. Then we want to go to revolve. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to add the cut. And then we want to go from here, and then we want to do a full pull. Okay, so that's going to be our first cut shape. And then we're going to go do the same thing there, click there, go to revolve, click the cut, and then go from here, then do a full pull. Okay, so now you have, we'll go ahead and go to spin. Now you have this shape here. And then we can go ahead and shell that just to kind of show you the inside. We'll do a 0.5 shell. Alright, so now you have this inside shape here. So that's a pretty handy feature to have, to be able to do that, to be able to revolve something and have it be a solid, and then also be able to revolve something and have it be a cutter object. So let's undo this. We're also going to, I'm going to show you, we're going to draw one in the center. So if you were going to say maybe create a, I don't know, a skateboard wheel or something, you would be able to do that from here. You know, create your inside part and then create your part where the bearing goes. Actually, let's do this, undo this a couple times. Go ahead and get the align tool. We're going to make a double mirror line here. So we're going to right mouse click on that, set as mirror, right mouse click on that, set as mirror. So now whatever I draw here is going to appear at the bottom. So I just want to show you guys, if we were creating kind of a skateboard shaped wheel, we would have kind of a conical shape like this. And then we'd have the shape for the bearing. I'm just kind of guessing on the sizes here. So we'd have a shape kind of, oh, undo that. we'd have a shape like this. Okay, so we really only need half, so I'm going to go ahead and I just wanted to replicate this down here, so we'll go ahead and get our trim away, and then we'll cut this stuff here. Oops, undo. I don't want to cut that. Oh, it looks like it's going to cut it because I have the mirror on. Let's undo. Let's get rid of these mirrors. Go to select. Let's take these off. Go get the line tool. We'll just put a line down the middle here. Select the click off. We'll grab the trim tool, cut a trim away tool, and we're just going to get rid of this. And remember what I was saying earlier about making sure to draw your shape outside of this shape so it'll be easy to select. That's not a problem. We can go ahead and add up to here like this, and then we can get the line tool and add some more length to here, because this isn't going to really matter. This is just an area that's going to allow you to select it, because once it's inside of the sphere or this round cylinder shape, it's going to be hard for you to select it to do the revolve. So we're going to go pull. Something happened on this one. Let's go undo. Let's go back to here. Not sure what's going on there. Let's go ahead and get rid of some of this stuff. Put another line in there. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, there we go. So now what you want to do is go ahead and go select these two. Then you're going to go revolve. You're going to come down here to cut. And then you're going to select midpoint here, full pull. Now you have your skateboard wheel. Only thing we forgot is to put the we forgot to put the part for the truck to go through. Let's do a couple of undos. We'll go ahead and add that. Let's go to here. Let's go get our rectangle tool, and then we'll just make an opening. Let's just do a 1.5. Oh, oops, wrong one. Let's click, drag out. Instead of let's go tab to there, let's just do 1.5. And then we'll go ahead and select the click off, get our trim away. And then we're going to cut that right there. Okay, now we'll go ahead and go to do the pull. Select there, go to pull, go to revolve, do a cut. And then we're going to select this, and then we're going to do a full pull. Now don't worry if the shape disappears. That's what it's supposed to do because you're cutting. So now we have a skateboard wheel here. And then if you wanted to, you could go ahead and add, you could add a chamfer to here. Change that from a fillet to a chamfer. Maybe do like something like that. Actually, let's do a 0.5 chamfer and then add one here too. 0.5. Go ahead and spin that. And then we can add a, let's add a fillet right here. 1 millimeter. Okay, let's go around here, add one to here. 1 millimeter. Okay, this is going to be your skateboard wheel. So basically we created that cylinder. Select this green line here, did K to split the the cylinder in half, and then we did the plan view to straighten everything. We added our shape, did a revolve, but we did a revolve with using the cut feature. So that's going to remove material. So we remove the inside of the material here, and now we have our skateboard wheel. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. You got a spot there to put your bearing, and then a spot there to put your bearing, and then you have a hole for the axle to go through. Okay, I'll go ahead and change this to isometric. Alright, that's going to end our tutorial today on how to use the revolve feature as a cutter instead of using it to produce a solid shape. Okay, thank you for watching, and hopefully you got something useful out of this video.